Hi, I'm Jacqueline from the Edith Lando Virtual Learning Center. In today's video, we will be exploring the overall design of our website's database through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will also be learning how to add resources to the database. The database allows for various fields to be searched, filtered, and also is compatible with different screen sizes, for example, desktop, tablet, and mobile. The HTML portion allows for the display of the search box, the drop-down categories, as well as other text, such as the pagination. Meanwhile, the CSS styles these elements. For example, their sizes, colors, and hover over effects. Lastly, the JavaScript provides the logic for the database and is the backend where all of the resource data lives. When resources are added in, the entries in JavaScript are modified, but the logic of the code does not change when a resource is added because the filter queries remain unchanged. Most often, our database will consist of completed workshops. Prior to getting the resource onto the database, it would need to be verified that the post now includes all of the videos, PDFs related to the workshop. If you are an employee at the Edith Lando Virtual Learning Center, you will find the following page very helpful. It outlines all of the fields necessary for a resource to be created in the database, and I will go over these in this video today as well. When you are working with the JavaScript database entries, you may find it helpful to use a code editor, as the WordPress editor in JavaScript does not automatically save. Some particular ones that I've personally found helpful include Visual Studio Code, which requires installation to your computer, and also CodePen, which does not require installation. I have placed the links in the description of this YouTube video. I will now be showing you a sample entry that is created for the database. It's important to note that the description is optional, though any text entered there is searchable in the database. The title, which is called text in the database entries, is also searchable. As for the tags, there should be at least one tag used from each category, which will be shown later. I will now show a brief demonstration of how a database entry is created. Now, I will show you an example of how a database entry appears in practice.